Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share a couple cards that I created using the not too shabby Moo-tiful Buddies stamp set. I think I've mentioned it numerous times lately that I love cows, and this stamp set is just so fun, and these little mice, they get me every time too. Holy cow, hey there, thank you very much, and it's your birthday. And then lots of little accessory stamps. Great stamp set. I did create another card with this, and that video is on the Not Too Shabby channel. I will link it and all the details in the description box below. For my cards today, I also used the Pink Roses paper pad that was part of the August 2022 paper pad club. It's very pretty and lots of fun to work with. I also used This Calls for Confetti. Big surprise there. I used glazed strawberry and sparkle all the way. I also did video while I was coloring, so I will go ahead and put that on with some music, and then I will come back and share the cards. right, I am back to share the cards. The first one that I made says, "Hey there," and this used a Mojo Monday sketch. I have linked it below, or it's also on my blog post. That cute cow, and hey there, you can see that this calls for confetti, and that paper is just beautiful. And then there's the inside. So there's that one. I really like her eyelashes and how cute and sweet she is. And then for my second card, I did It's Your Birthday. I wanted to use that cute little mouse, and that paper is also from that paper pad, but it just had that country feel to it. And then there's this calls for confetti, and again with those eyelashes, and then I put that little mouse on the inside as well. So there are my two cards that I created today using the Moo-tiful Buddies stamp set. Again, it is just so super cute and fun, and I can see lots and lots of cards in my future using these fun little mice and cows. And that paper pad is gorgeous too. And at the time of filming this video, it was still available. And I mean, the Paper Pad Club is definitely a very good value. What's more fun than getting two 6x6 paper pads every month? And they are so much fun and very, very easy to use and all that good stuff. So again, everything is linked in the description box below. Thanks for stopping by, and until my next video, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.